Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you what arrived. I got a lovely lime green or chartreuse tracksuit, the matching pants, and my first ever J-Star mirror. We gotta open her up and see what it looks like. Ready? I do love this packaging. I went ahead and separated the little sticky little label. Let's open her up and find out. My favorite. Oh my goodness. I love it. Mwah. The little J-Star mirror. Oh, the hand mirror, look, it perfectly matches. I love it. Mwah. It's one of my favorite. What is going on with my hair? But look, I love it. Hi. I feel like these were made for me, you know what I mean? Like, you just have like your color, like you love pink or you love blues or whatever. Mine has always been this neon, ridiculous, loud green. I love it. So I'm so excited that I actually own my first ever J-Star mirror. And of course, again, another tracksuit, which are absolutely comfortable. If you guys are ever wondering, they are definitely worth it. High quality material. Yeah, I'm over the moon delighted. So big shout out to the Jeffree Star team for listening to their fans and their clients. Like, I have been asking for a green line for a long time. So thank you so much. And let's see what we have up next. Alright guys, so if you like this unboxing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and help us sister out. And I will see you guys next time. Take care.